you do, ladies and gentlemen? I'm your host, Truman Bradley. This fish was quick frozen in a laboratory a year ago. To all intents, each cell's molecular structure has been frozen into a thermodynamically stable configuration, which is science's fancy name for death. This aquarium contains a special heating apparatus designed to defreeze at a certain temperature in a certain length of time. Now, watch what happens. Of course, the fish was not dead in the accepted sense to begin with, even though there was a complete cessation of all bodily functions. This wouldn't be a good trick to drown your pet goldfish unless your home is equipped with a quick freeze lab. But despite all of science's progress in the fields of deep freezing, nature as usual had the idea first. This little insect, called the water tiger, inhabits lakes. It needs water to live. When a lake dries out, as so frequently happens, the water tiger dries up, seemingly becoming totally lifeless. Yet it will return to life, even years later when the lake bottom becomes wet again. There is a name for this process: suspended animation. The science of maintaining life indefinitely, and perhaps forever, by means of controlled refrigeration. And this is the theme of our story. Frozen giant mammoths have, of course, actually been discovered. Science has never been able to restore them to life. But who knows? Perhaps someday it might, just as in our fictional story. Suspended animation through deep freezing is a new science. And one of the future hopes is that by this deep freezing process, man may be able to withstand the initial shock and stress of a rocket's ascent into the stratosphere. Even now it's used in certain surgical operations to lessen operative shock. All this actually stems from the knowledge acquired from the frozen world of the glacier era. I hope you enjoyed our story. We'll be back with you a week from today with another exciting adventure from the world of fiction and science. Until then, this is your host, Truman Bradley, saying, see you next week.